So hello guys, I'm gonna come here today. You see in my skin it's very nice, uh, modernized and very effective logo designer. So if you like to promote your company or the business, just you follow me and watch my video. Then you can learn something from it. So no talk today. So I'm gonna starting from the beginning. So first of all, I need to small size. So a little bit like that, and I needed to keep here. Yes, right here. So I need to now go to the ellipse tool. So guys, you just click here, then you can see so many tools here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So all together here, 6. So which I needed, the guys, I needed the ellipse tool. So press here and I just put shift and order pressing here and another just like that. Okay, just I need like that here. Okay, that's fine. I think this is a fantastic rule. Cool, very cool. So what I need now again here, press here this rectangle tool. I need it now here from here just like that. Another so bigger, little bit here. Then I needed to color change. Go to the color. I need a white color. It will be more brighter. So again, what should I do it? So I need to just go to the select here. I go to the effect and go to the which warp and go to the flag. Yes, it's a little bit taking time. So right here, yes, 100%. You should be about the clear. You need to click here preview, sorry, and a vertical. If you here, then it will be level. But I here vertical, it will be more brighter. So I'm gonna here, okay. So I think a little bit smaller like that. It like that. It will be more better. I think a little bit like that. A little bit here. And now a little bit here. Okay, that's fine. I think. So again, I need to go to the where object. Yes, we get to the appearance, expand appearance. So I needed to select all the things and I go to the shape builder tool and I cut all the things by pressing order like that, and like that. Yes, yes. Okay, so clear. It's almost clear. What should I do? I need to now just a little bit small like that. Yes, it's like that. So I think this one is set to be now okay. So I need it now this angle like that, and by pressing over, then copy this one, and I need it like that angle. Set up this one. It will be more better. So right here, and I need it again here. Put it here, just like that. Clear about it. Okay. Put here, I think it will be better. So I select this one and I need now just smaller. Yes, I think this better. So again, now I need to circle. How should it? Just one tool is a more important tool. Which one? This ellipse tool. So what should I do? You see how I do it clear, just like that. Okay, so I need to now just put it the center, and I need this one a little bit smaller like that, and I think it will like that center, yes, right here. Now a little bit bigger here, you see, a little bit bigger, yes, it will be better. So I need to now copy this one. Shortcut, you just follow shortcut, Control C, Control F. It is done. I think now just this one like that. Yes, guys, you see how is that? Again, I need the same work, same doing like that. Again, I need now like that. Yes, you guys, you see how is so fantastic. So I needed this one a little bit smaller like that. Now I need to put here the typing tool. So what need? Just go to the typing tool and type on the paddle tool. So click here. I think it better is bigger. So I need a smaller like that. It it will be smaller like that. Okay, so I need to now type all the things for the copy house. Coffee house. Yes, exactly. So right here, how should I do? Many things you see, guys. How can I do? You just see. I need to now go to the here just for like that setup here. Yes. It, yes. Now just I need to now to bigger this one like that. It comes here and now like that. Just yes, I'm trying here for the like that a bigger. Oh, sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna just try here like that bigger. Yes, you see, guys, this is a fantastic doing. So I need to now just here for the here delete the skyline. I need just copy here and I need to now which I did just type a tool here, go to the path, go to the type on a file option. So flip and preview, then asunder and OK. So right here I need a which one? I need to just I need now to just which one? Since sorry, sorry. Oh my god, how is the tool is very terrible. Since, oh my god, yes, since 2014. So it's very fantastic. Just a car here. You see how doing this one like that. Oh my god, this is how this is coming. There's some. I'm sorry for that. So you see, guys, how it's doing. Like that is very fast. Yes, it's exactly I'm doing like that. Now just I select this one all, then go to the align. I need to go to the align. It's down. So okay, now just I put it all the middle side here. You see the middle side. How is it coming? So I needed this one is bigger like that. Yes, it's the metal side, so it is very looking cool. So what need I just just turn tool? I need just a tool here. Yeah, it. I think it will be better. Just I'm gonna hit just the tool like that. Okay, so uh, just I put it here. This one and it can be another for like that. Let it be here. Yes, see, very fantastic. So I need to now color here. Go to the color picker here. Yes, you see how this color. Okay, so another here. I need to now here color. Go to the color here and just put it here. Yes, yes, guys, you see. Very nice, very fantastic. Exactly like here. You see how is doing well. Very cool, looking very cool. So no more tag. Thank you for watching.